shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appears and the soul